so sorry. Oh, I'm so sorry I'm late. Hello, hi. Hi. Do excuse me. I just came back from a flight from London and they gave me this little package here. But hello guys, it's me, Nikki. Hello. Hello, my glow babies. How are you guys doing? So today's video is super, super special because I won't be doing this video alone. I'll be joined by the suitcase. This lovely little suitcase right here, which is very heavy. Oh my God. Now you might be asking yourself, Nikki, what the hell is in that suitcase? Well, my dear, hello. Dear NikkieTutorials, at 100,000, we thought, not bad. That's a healthy new channel. At 1 million, we thought, whoa, this creator's pretty awesome. But 10 million? At this point, we're actually scratching our heads. How on earth did you do? I'm asking myself the same damn question. How on earth did I do that? 10 million subscribers isn't just a lot of people, it's more than the entire population of New York City. The fact is, you're no longer just a great channel, you're a movement. You've clearly touched a nerve in the world and you found a legion of fans who expect and receive great things from you. I hope so. We hope you'll accept this Diamond Creator Award as a token of our appreciation and our respect for what you've accomplished. You amaze us and inspire us every day. Keep it coming. Yours sincerely, Susan Wuchuka, CEO of YouTube. Please welcome to our Glow Baby family, the supreme Glow Baby of all. This is insane. This is my diamond play button for reaching 10 million subscribers on YouTube. This is beyond insane to me. Never in my life did I think I would ever, I don't know, hold this or reach 10 million, but the fact that we did because we're such a strong family on here, I always say it in every video and I say it in pretty much every tweet, but I just want to say thank you for just, you know, being team makeup and for believing in me and for seeing something in me that I, especially myself, didn't see in the beginning myself. I didn't see what you guys saw 10 years ago when I started my channel, but you supported me and believed me, and thank you. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Today's video is gonna be so much fun because I wanna do a special type of look inspired by our supreme Glow Baby. I wanna do an Halloween look that is diamond play button inspired. The supreme Glow Baby will be watching me in the back. If you're excited about this and if you want to see how I create a super like diamond bedazzled face look, then keep watching. Oh. Alrighty, so here we are. How are you, Supreme? Good, okay. So the first thing I'm gonna be doing is priming my face because I want my face to look somewhat as gorgeous as that over there. So I'll be using the Forsali Skin Tune and the Fenty Beauty Primer. This has been a winning combo for me lately, so I'm using it. For foundation, I'm taking the Lancome Teint Idole Ultra Wear and the Fenty Beauty. This also has been a winning combo for me, so we're doing it, we're doing it, we're doing it. I think that for concealer, we know by now what I'm using. This is the Jouer Essential High Coverage Concealer in Chiffon. And of course, setting the face with 12 pounds of powder. What's that? You're thirsty? Okay, of course, my queen. Be right back, honey. Okay, sweetie, of course you can have a drink, honey. There you go, boo-boo. All right, that's the base. I'm gonna do my brows off camera and then I'll be back for the look. Ta-da! I already went ahead and did most part of the other side of my face. This is kind of what we're looking at. It's as if our supreme diamond button has thrown up in our face. So the thing about this look is it's not necessarily hard or difficult to do. It just takes up a lot of time because you have to glue and place all the little rhinestones, which just takes up some time. But hey, in the end, so worth it if you ask me. What's that, sweetie? You're done with your drink? Same goes for the eye look. It's fairly simple, just pretty and gorgeous and glittery. And I say, let's do it. From the Natasha Denona Safari palette, I'm taking this color right here called Tamarind. And that is going on my outer corner. First, just kind of dabbing it on, and then we'll focus on blending it out. And we're just getting this color in there and creating some high fashion depth, honey. Taking a softer brown and continuing defining that crease and bringing it all the way to that inner corner. And you know, my favorite trick by now is by going into the front of the brow and getting it all up in there, baby. On the lid, I'm applying this shimmery champagne shade. Some highlighter on that inner corner. Oh, yes. And now we're just gonna connect that bottom to the top. Now using a silver glitter liner by LA Splash. This one is in the color Luna. I'm gonna line with glitter right underneath my brow. And now you want to stick on some falsies, and then it's time for the most time-robbing job ever, which is sticking on all these diamonds. All right, so for the diamonds, I think a good place to start would be around the eyes, and then we'll trickle our way down to either the chin. I don't want to do the nose again because I feel like this is enough on the nose, maybe a little bit here, but nothing too much. We'll see. Let's just start with the eyes. Now, when it comes to technique, there's not a lot I can tell you. All you want to do is think of placement. I'm taking huge inspiration from Alex Box. Alex Box is an insane makeup artist, and her work is one of my favorites. And you know what? This just hit me. This could easily turn into a mermaid look. So all you need is time, lash glue, and a lot of rhinestones, and rhinestone away the hours. Has anyone determined exactly what they want to be for Halloween yet? You know, this is day 5 of Halloweek. I'm just wondering if you've made up your mind, because it can be such a battle coming up with the perfect look. You know, that I'm just wondering if you've made up your mind yet. If you have, definitely let me know down below what you'll be for Halloween. And will it be 1 look, 2 looks, 3? And you know, what could be fun with this look as well is just focusing it around the eyes and not going as extreme as this. Of course, I'm going extreme. I have something to celebrate here, the Supreme. But if you want to keep it more low-key, even though this is far from low-key, you can. You know, when you take away all of this around the nose and you just do like the highlight part of your face and around the eyes, it could be so pretty, like a mermaid crystallized glam creature. Okay, after doing this for a long time today, one trick I've picked up is to stick your tweezer, the tip of your tweezer, into the glue that you just put on your face a little bit. Now the tip of your tweezer is sticky. Stick it onto the top of the rhinestone, and all you have to do is place it and you're done. So when you keep the tip sticky of your tweezers, you can just stamp it onto the rhinestones, pick it up and place it on. All you gotta do is keep that tip sticky. See what I mean when I say that just doing the eyes is fine too? Like, look at that, that's super pretty. Now, since we're moving on to cheeks, I wanna bronze, since bronzing over top of rhinestones is a task. So I'm just taking my Jouer Bronzing Duo and I'm gonna warm up those cheekbones. And while I'm at it, I'm also gonna do the temples and the forehead. I mean 7 head. Then for highlighter, I'm taking Glazed Donut, the highlighter I created in collaboration with Ofra Cosmetics. Ooh, that is just the highlight this look needs. And let's also do Cupid's bow, as well as tip of the nose, as well as right here. Ooh, Ooh, that's pretty. Ooh, that ties it together. Ooh! And then also just here on the chin. We wanna look super, super glowy. Okay, now let's add our diamonds to the highlight, the cheekbone. Like with highlight, you want to taper out the edges to make it blend nice and look seamless on the skin. So the same goes for the diamonds. You want the most concentrated part to be where the lightest part of the highlighter would be, and then go smaller as it tapers out. Okay, I'm gonna place some around the nose going down to the lip. Now, if you're asking yourself, Nikki, how are you ever going to remove all of this? I am asking myself that same question. Now, some people might say this is starting to look like a very extra mustache. I can live with that. Hey, if my mustache could look like this all the time, I would sign up for it. Hello. Okay, guys, the end is in sight. All we have to do now is the chin. What I want to know is, when did you find my channel? We are 11 million strong now, but I'm always interested in knowing when you became part of the family, when you became a glow baby. So definitely let me know in the comments down below when you found my channel, and if this wants to stick, if you remember what video it was. I'm already getting really nervous for my bathroom for when I take this off. So now for the lips, let's do a nice little gloss. Of course, I have to go with the Fenty Beauty Diamond Milk Gloss Bomb. And there we have it. And that's it, guys. You know, all jokes aside, I know this look is a little bit crazy and you can use it for a skull and you can use it for a mermaid, but this video is more so a homage to the diamond play button and for thanking you guys and for having fun with makeup, because I feel like in those 10 years where I've reached 11 million subscribers, I feel like the #1 goal for me was to make anyone who watched feel comfortable and safe and confident and beautiful by playing with makeup. My main love and my future love will always be makeup, and I want to thank you for being Team Makeup and supporting me and my journey. I know you literally hear every YouTuber out there say this, but you have changed my life. You know, and sometimes I look back to the past and I was so insecure and I was so scared of life, but you have shown me what it's like to feel loved and be loved, and you have made me so confident in my skin, whether it was before I lost 35 pounds or after. You guys have always had my back. You always stick up for me. I love you. So this diamond play button isn't just for me, it is also for you. Thank you, thank you, thank you. I can already tell you that day 5 of Halloweek is my favorite by far, because it's something that we accomplished together. So I want to thank you so much for watching day 5 of Halloweek. If you enjoyed watching this video, then please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. And hopefully I will see you tomorrow for day 6. I love you. Bye.